OLABO Intelligent Manufacturing Industrial Park is located in Pinyin County, Jinan City. The current project covers an area of 108 acres and will be developed into a 500-acre intelligent manufacturing factory. The industrial park started construction in September 2019 with a total construction area of over 50,000 square meters. It was officially put into operation in June 2020. OLABO Intelligent Manufacturing Industrial Park, based on high-end equipment, is committed to building a smart manufacturing demonstration zone. The main production projects include the R&D and Manufacturing Center for Biosafety Protection Equipment, Sheet Metal Center, and Spray Coating Center. The Sheet Metal Processing Center adopts high-precision, automated cross-cutting line controlled by imported PLC program controllers and touchscreens. With a high degree of automation, good flatness quality, high cutting accuracy, stable and reliable performance, and convenient operation and maintenance. With one-time loading of coils, each process can be smoothly completed. The fully automatic turret CNC pump process controls the machine tool with high precision and fast operating speed using CNC technology, using single blanking and step blanking methods to punch out a variety of shape size of the whole and parts. Greatly improve the sheet metal processing capacity and production efficiency. The laser cutting machine utilizes a high-energy density laser beam as a cutting tool to cut materials, providing powerful cutting ability with a smooth cutting surface. This achieves high speed, high quality, and high stability combined with an automatic warehouse to significantly reduce operating costs and increase production efficiency. Sheet metal bending uses industrial robot manipulators for bending, moving and bending sheet metal parts according to spatial position requirements without manual operation. It can work continuously for 24 hours, ensuring high processing accuracy and shortening work cycles. To meet high-efficiency production requirements of the factory, welding and polishing processes strictly follow the sheet metal processing requirements, conducting comprehensive inspections on precision, wheels, and appearance to ensure product quality. The sheet metal spring adopts a fully automatic electrostatic spring line with excellent spring effects, high coating adhesion, cleanness, and no pollution. The internal use of robotic fully automatic spring equipment allows rapid and flexible changes in spring gun posture, enabling more flexible spring in narrow spaces or on workpiece surface. It also achieves intelligent tracking to automatically plan new spring trajectories and speeds based on the movement direction and speed of workpiece. The R&D and Manufacturing Center for Biosafety Protection Equipment adopts assembly line production with quality inspection tracking throughout the entire installation process. From raw material storage, production installation, to complete machine inspection. The workshop utilizes MES system for digitalized management, assisting high-precision testing equipment to inspect products according to established standards, ensuring every product meets the requirement for warehousing. The Research and Development Center of Scientific Instrument Production covers 5 fields including constant temperature incubators, blood testing equipment, shakers, laboratory instrument, and transport refrigerator with over 400 models. It utilizes an intelligent assembly line production mode for transparent management of the production process, improving production efficiency while strictly controlling quality at every stage from raw material procurement, production installation to finished product warehousing. The Centrifuge R&D and Manufacturing Center uses assembly line production with quality inspection tracking for each installation step to ensure components coordination and performance indicators meet design requirements. Standardized inspections are conducted throughout all steps to guarantee the qualification of each product for warehousing. The Pathology Lab Equipment Research and Development Center covers 15 products such as fume hoods, medical refrigerators, embedding center, microtim, slice stainers, driving ovens, tissue processor, and paraffin dispenser. each stage from raw material entry, production installation, core machine inspection, to finished product warehousing and go strict quality control. Through Bybase Group's robust international trade foundation, global resources are interconnected to establish a global ecological network, building a platform for medical device industry technology, information exchange, and international service.